can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait.
What's up, cuties? This is your favorite creative So, welcome to another episode of our DTV vlog. Today is New Year. Yep. We have been sick since Christmas and it got so worse since yesterday. Basically, for the last week of December, we were sick. Yeah, what a great way to start 2018 with a cold virus. Woohoo! Since it's New Year, we're obviously down at our parents' place and we're in front of this cafe called Coffee Concept. Yeah, we actually came here last summer to get some kiwi juice. They have some awesome juice. And this place is not like that thematic as usual cafe that we go in Seoul. Yeah, but they have some awesome camera gear inside they display there. Yeah, like camera. It's really expensive. So we'll show you guys those. Yeah. So today our plan is to unbox the letters that our cuties sent it to us as well as some gifts that other companies sent it to us. And then we're gonna make oatmeal cookie that we couldn't make it last week because we couldn't find any oatmeal in Gongju. Oh, we're gonna sound like chipmunk because our nose is congested. Oh, and our mama Kikyu is waiting for us inside the coffee shop. We're super excited about today's vlog with you guys. So, well, okay, let's hurry. Oh, by the way, today Kwan is holding this bag from our cutie from Singapore. Her name is Liana. Sister, wait! Oh my god, cute.
Like it? Yeah. I like it?
Look at how they decorated this place.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Look at all these cameras.
These are like, why would they display it? I'll use it.
Yeah,
or sell it. Sell it on eBay.
Or even your back. Guys, if I were them, I would totally sell them on eBay. I think they have about like 100 different types of camera here. So pretty. The bag. Why don't you just thumbnail? Oh, Charski! So according to our cutie, these are Singapore brands. I didn't know.
I think they're branching out to Korea too, I guess.
Oh.
My bag. I bet still my bag is more prettier and it has more meaning to it. Okay, sorry.
Both for me, to my husband.
Also, Dad bought for her.
Oh, okay.
It's for you, Mom. It's for you.
But I think mine is prettier.
But I think mine has more meaning to it. What the fuck? I know a lot of you cuties mentioned that our mom is always on her phone, and that's true. I look better here. I look so dark here. Whoa, so dark.
Better.
Dark. Our cuties are so talented. Look at this illustration that this cutie called Chica Fabiola did. This is amazing. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my god, so today we didn't order Americano, but we ordered kiwi juice because we need a lot of vitamin C. Mom did a grapefruit tea. Was it? Yeah. Oh, do it again. She learned from you. You're too far. Okay. Look at the concentrating nose hole. So I'm really sick today. I don't think I can go and grab it.
I'm so excited.
Oh, they look so good.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, unicorn raindrop.
Oh, I want to try this.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, unicorn raindrop.
I'm doing an earring that Marlene from Germany gave it to us as a gift. Fin. So here goes the unbox. First, gonna read all these letters that our cutie sent to us. Oh, here you go. Because there was one comment on our YouTube channel saying that she sent us a letter with the Hello Kitty on it, and if we got it or not. So this letter is from Jocelyn, and she's from California. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, why is there so many letters?
Come back.
Okay, so Joseline is also a twin. Yeah. And she say they act just like us. They goof around and do weird things like Yemi. She says she really loves watching our mom in our vlog. And she also sent a separate letter for Christmas, and she was hoping that we get this before Christmas, but it says if you get it later, then Merry Late Christmas.
Thank you, Joseline.
And this is so cute. Here it says, for the love of God, give it to me nicely. And it says,
No,
don't explain that.
This is so cute. Thank you so much for this lovely letter, Joseline.
This one's from Elodie, and she's from France. Oh my god, did I rip the... Oh, I ripped the letter! What the... Oh my god! Oh my god. She wrote in Korean. This is from Elodie. She's from France, and she's 16 years old, and she's really interested in a lot of Korean culture. Her biggest dream is to live in Seoul and become a designer. Yeah, in Korea, but she's never been to Korea yet. She's learning Korean by herself. So all these Korean letter right now here, this is all what she learned by herself. Oh, nice. So that's really cool. And the last part, she said, also big kisses for you and Mama QQ from France.
Oh, thank you.
She doesn't even know. Mom is still on phone. Okay. Sorry, Elodie. She gave us 3 questions. First is, who's your favorite singer? Well, currently we love Lip and Hip by Hana. It's been stuck in our head. Do you prefer the life in Korea or in the USA? And I think both have different pros and cons. But right now, I love Korea. It's really fun. So much thematic places to go and stuff. And what can you say in French?
Well, merci beaucoup.
That's all?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Elodie.
You read this one, right? This is a postcard of a city called Montpellier in France, and it's a city that she lives right now. Such a beautiful place. And they say this place is bombed during summer. Really? And this is the 8th biggest city in France. I wanna go. Yeah, someday.
Thank you so much for this postcard, Elodie. We'll definitely make a chance to go and visit this city.
Splenda for Q1, Splenda for Hyujin. What's this? Jet Aim. This means I love you. Yeah, I love you. 어시 사랑해.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Elodie.
That is so cute.
It says 사랑해 too. Another 사랑해. Jet Aim, you are the Splenda of my coffee. Ooh, what's this?
What is Eiffel Tower? Oh my god. Holy crap, this is a keychain thing. What is this? This is a Starby. Ta-da! The coin! Oh my god. Euro. Coins smell like quite heavy than I thought. Wow. This is how Eiffel Tower smells like.
Thank you, Elodie. I mean, I can see that's earring.
This, but it has a different charm. Oh, okay. Oh, that's pretty. This one. These are so dainty and cute.
Thank you so much, Elodie.
So pretty. Really? 이쁘다. 어머, 이쁘다. 너한테 어울린다. Oh, you're so dainty. So dainty, right? Yeah. It's nice. This is how it's
Little cute earrings for you, Kiki. I hope you like it. Of course we like it. Last letter for the cutie.
I think there's gonna be a drawing inside. Yeah. Oh, she actually posted on Instagram, right? Yeah. It's the actual copy. 닮았다. Wow, so good. Oh, wait, what? She knows how to write. She starts with bonjour because she's from France and her name is Marine. She said we really encourage her to be confident in what she's wearing. She drew this drawing of us as a Christmas gift. Right now she's studying 3D animation. Wow. Yeah, and she literally wrote that in Korean here. Oh, wow. Man. Damn, Marine. Thank you so much for this drawing, Marine. I cherish them forever and ever and ever. Why the sour face, sister?
Why am I keep sweating?
We're gonna unbox this huge gift that Stylekorean sent it to us. They sent us these gifts for Christmas. Look at this. The VLFT. Does this really work though? I don't know, but they sent us 4. Maybe like my double chin. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. What is the Oh, look at this box. One for each? Oh, it's Huxley. Oh, I know his brand. Open. What the freak? Can I see? Wow. What is this? Hand cream, washing gel. It's like a travel kit. I think it's travel kit. And then you put it all inside here. And then you put it inside here.
Thank you, Stylekorean.
Healing masks. Oh, these are masks. These are sleep masks. So these are all masks. Let's give one to mom. By the way, Mama QQ is gonna come to Indonesia with us. Let's see mom's expression when I give this to her.
엄마, 이거 엄마 가지세요.
Thank you. 열어봐. 여기 리본. 이게 여행용. 우리 이번에 인도네시아 갈 때 가져가면 되겠다. 그러니까. 이거 하시고서는 비-리프팅 하세요. 진짜 이런 게 있어? You like put it on an ear like that, right? You put this on your face and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. 얼굴이 조금 해가지고요. Her face is too small. Her face is so small. She says a little bit loose. Yeah, but for us, I think it'll be tight. You don't have to worry. It's gonna be tight.
Thank you so much, Stylekorean and Huxley. Huxley.
I'm actually gonna try this tonight because this is so interesting. I never thought these kind of things exist.
Wow.
You can actually sit down here and enjoy coffee too.
Yeah, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna go at home and then bake some oatmeal cookies.
Sister, do your opening here.
Welcome to QQ's cooking show.
So it's really simple.
Yeah.
So basically you'll need, we'll show the ingredient as we do it.
We need about 3 bananas.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna smash it with a fork.
The thing is that in Korea, not many people eat oatmeal, so there wasn't many option of oatmeal to choose from.
But this is the right one. This is the quick oat, right?
Yes.
And I just preheated the oven. This is gonna be an amazing cookie.
We're also gonna put these mixed nuts jumbo.
Yeah, bitches!
Ooh, they look good. And then they say put like 1 cup of oat, but I'm just gonna put as much as I can.
Yeah.
I'll use these first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put it. No.
So, this is what we got.
And yeah, so
the base is done. The nuts inside here and smash it.
more.
Smash. I hate you.
Hey, it's a new ear.
I love you this much. How much I love you.
So just like that. Not too much, because you want to kind of
like feel the crunch.
Yeah.
So did you guys like my Mimi?
What's that thing with your tongue? So that's how our mix looks like currently. Now we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on here in case the cookie is stuck. This. Yeah, put it close to each other. They won't rise or get bigger or anything. So because there's no gluten inside. Yeah, so it'll just remain this shape. Yeah, that shape. Whoa, that's a huge chunk one. Yeah, I'm making it really thick. It's this thumbnail. Okay. We're not gonna use that for sure. Who knows? It looks so pretty. Ta-da! Then we got these dark chocolate chips from Emart. And some of them we're gonna sprinkle these. And for some of them we're gonna put blueberries. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or something. Go in! Go in! Happy dance! It's been like 13 seconds and it already smells so sweet and good. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. Yes. Thumbnail. Yeah. Take me. Take you to here? You're gonna die if you go in there. Look at the blueberry. Oh my god. So this is also our first time making these oatmeal cookies. So we're not sure if it's gonna come out crunchy or smushy. But either way, I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. Okay, do your happy dance.
I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Open.
Oh my god. It's kind of crispy on the outside, but kind of bit soft on the inside.
It's so good.
So moist inside. So if you guys want it more sweet, maybe you can put like sugar. Because we made it thick, it kind of tastes like almost like a bread. Banana bread. Outside is very crispy, but inside is very moist. I like it. I think next time we should put more blueberries. So good. Crispy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Last one. Come here.
Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna take one more pill. Cold pill. We got several like snapshot of our cuties picture. Ordering pizza right after we're watching our and then some of you cuties actually made it and they sent us this picture. Ooh. Yeah, that was amazing. If you guys ever try out our receipt, tag us on your Instagram photo or send us through direct message. We'd love to see. Yeah, and let us know if you guys want to see more of these kind of cooking video. Although we're not really good at cooking, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed our DTV today. Bye bye.